In the surface areas and volumes topic, the shape of this object, this is known as cuboid. For example, this room is a cuboid. This cuboid has 6 faces. This is 1, top, 2, ground floor, 3, like that. There are 6 faces for this cuboid. And it has 3 dimensions. One is known as length, this is called breadth, and this is called height. This cuboid has 6 faces. This top is 1 face, ground floor second face, third, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces are there and 3 dimensions are there: length, breadth, height. This is the cuboid. So here all the faces will be in the shape of a rectangle. For a cuboid, 6 faces will be 6 rectangles. If the face of a cuboid, if it becomes square, then it will be like this. If the face of a cuboid, in case of rectangle, if the face of the cuboid is a square, then it is called cube. For a cube, length, breadth, height, all the 3 will be equal. And now we call it as edge. Edge of the cuboid is denoted by A. So a cuboid has 6 faces. All the 6 faces are in the shape of a rectangle. A cuboid has 3 dimensions: length, breadth, height. If the rectangular face of a cuboid, if it becomes square, then that cuboid is called cube. So a cube has 6 square faces. In a cube, length, breadth, height, all the 3 are equal. Now we call it as edge of the cube. It is denoted by A. Now for a cuboid, lateral surface area or curved surface area. Lateral surface area or curved surface area of a cuboid is given by the formula 2h into L plus B. This is the formula to find out lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. Now total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So these are the 3 important formulae for cuboid. Lateral surface area or curved surface area of a cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Volume of a cuboid is LBH. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now for a cube, lateral surface area of a cube is given by the formula 4a square. Total surface area of a cube is given by the formula 6a square. Now volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is a cube. So like this 3 formulae for a cube. So example for a cuboid is, this room is a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. All these 6 faces are in the shape of a rectangle. A cuboid has 3 dimensions: length, breadth, height. So it has 3 dimensions. Volume of a cuboid is given by the formula L into B into H. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of the cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now in a cube, the face is a rectangle. If the face is a square, then this cuboid will become a cube. For a cube, length, breadth, height, all the 3 will be equal. Now we call it as edge of a cube. It is denoted by A. Now lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. Total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Volume of a cube is a cube. Right, first question. Find the edge of a cube whose volume is 1000 centimeter cube. Here volume of the cube is given as 1000 centimeter cube. So let us take that volume of a cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Volume of a cube is given by the formula a cube is equal to 1000. Now 1000 can be written as 10 cube. If you compare, then we will get a is equal to 10 centimeters. Edge of the cube is 10 centimeters. If the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters, if the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters, find its volume. For a cube, we have three formulae. One is lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. Total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Volume of a cube is a cube. So here, given that total surface area of a cube is equal to 1350 square meters. Total surface area of a cube is given by the formula 6a square is equal to 1350. Send 6 that side, a square is equal to 1350 by 6. 6 2s are 12. Again 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are. So a square is equal to, we got 225. 225 can be written as 15 square. 15 into 15 is 225. So if you compare, a value is 15 centimeters. After getting a value, volume of a cube you have to find it. So volume of a cube is equal to, formula is a cube, that is 15 cube. 15 into 15, 225, 225 into 15. So answer is 3775 meter cube. Volume is expressed in meter cube, curved surface area, total surface area expressed in meter square. So here 3775. So first total surface area of the cube is given. So 6a square is equal to 1350. Using that you will get a value. After getting a value, volume of a cube is a cube. So you will get the answer. The volume of a cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. The volume of a cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. The length is 15 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. The length is 15 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. Find its height. Here length of the cuboid, length is given as L is equal to 15 centimeters. Breadth is given as breadth B is equal to 10 centimeters. Next, we have to find height of the cuboid. Now given that volume of the cuboid is equal to (1200 centimeter cube). Volume of the cuboid formula is L into B into H, that is given as 1200 centimeter cube. Length is given as 15, breadth is given as 10, height we have to find is 1200. So H is equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. 0, 0 you can cancel. 15 8 is 120. So H is equal to 8 centimeters. So volume is given 1200. L into B into H is 1200. In this you substitute L value, B value, then you will get H value. Find the area of 4 walls of a room whose length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, and height is 7.5 centimeters. We have to find area of 4 walls of a room. Room is in the shape of a cuboid. So area of 4 walls of a room is nothing but we have to find curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cuboid. So area of 4 walls of a room this is nothing but CSA of a cuboid. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cuboid you have to find. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is given by 2h into L plus B. 2h value is 7.5, length is 15, breadth is 10, length is 12, sorry. 2 into 7.5 is 15. 12 plus 10 is 22. So it is 330 centimeters square. Right, question number 5. Find the volume of a cuboid whose length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, and height is 8 centimeters. So here length, breadth, height of a cuboid are given. Length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, height of the cuboid is 8 centimeters. 3 dimensions are given. Now we should find out volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is given by the formula L into B into H. Length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, height is 8. 12 into 8. So it is 960 centimeter cube. 12 into 8 is 96 into 10, 960 centimeter cube.
70.
So tomorrow we will continue in the next class.